Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you let's play the Dia de Muertos daily challenge in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the new challenge event. This is Day of the Dead or part of Halloween party or event in Mexico and also in Central America. So let's tap the play button, tap the live events and tap the challenge mode. And this one. Tap the first one, Dia de Muertos Daily Challenge. So you can play three stage. The first one is the skill game, quarterfinals, and the semifinals skill game, and also the finals is a match. In each stage, you can get Sempasuchil 15 in quarterfinal, 20 Sempasuchil in semifinal, and 25 Sempasuchil in finals. So you have to collect this Sempasuchil to exchange with item like a logo, emotes, or the new kit from this Dia de Muertos event. For example, let's try the first one. This is the skill game. So the first skill game is hit boxes, swipe to shoot, and clock over the box to earn point. If you hit the colored boxer for you can get the bonus. So you have to win this so you can unlock the new stage into the semi-finals, and also you have to play to the final. Make sure you win this and promote the semi-final and tap the semi-final. You can get 20 Sempasuchil. This is also the skill game. So in this second skill game, you have to win this dribble race. Use the virtual stick and get to the finish line before your opponent does. So I've win and promoted to the finals. And in the finals, it will be a matches. Tap continue. We are going to play this all-star Central American player. And your opponent leading by one, so you have to win this match. Play this game patiently and you will this game and get the Sempasuchil or the reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.